Hello and welcome to Beginner English Hub. My name is Maya.
And my name is Leo. We are so happy you are here to learn English with us.
Yes, welcome. This is a podcast for beginners. We speak slowly and clearly to help you understand and learn. We want to make learning English easy and fun.
That's right, fun is important. Today, we have a very exciting topic. We are going to talk about the future. We will talk about dreams and goals.
What is a dream? A dream is a big wish for the future. What is a goal? A goal is something you want to do. For example, your goal is to learn English.
And you are doing a great job. Listening to this podcast is a great way to reach your goal. Today, we will learn 3 easy phrases to talk about your future goals and dreams.
Money. We will teach you the phrases, we will give you many examples, and we will practice with a short conversation. You can listen, learn, and improve your English today.
Before we start, please remember to like this episode if you find it helpful, and subscribe to Beginner English Hub so you don't miss our new lessons.
Okay, Leo, are you ready to start?
I am ready. Let's begin. Okay, everyone. Our first phrase is very, very important in English. It is very common. The phrase is, I want to.
I want to. We use this for things we desire, things we wish to do or have. It can be for big things or small things.
Exactly. Let's start with small things. For example, right now, I am a little thirsty. So I can say,
Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm good, Leo. A little tired. I want to go home soon.
Me too, but first I want to go to the library.
Oh, why?
I want to find a book about Spain.
Spain. How interesting. Do you want to travel to Spain?
Yes, I do. I want to visit Madrid next year.
That's a great plan. I want to travel too. I want to see the mountains.
Wonderful. We both want to travel.
Okay, stop. Did you hear the phrases? We said I want to many times.
Let's look at the conversation. I said, I want to go home soon. This is a small, immediate wish.
And I asked you, do you want to travel to Spain? This is a question form. You can ask others about their goals.
Then I said, yes, I do. I want to visit Madrid next year. This is a bigger future goal.
And I said, I want to see the mountains. Another goal. We are using the same simple phrase, I want to, for many different ideas.
You are doing a great job listening. Let's listen to the conversation one more time. This time, try to hear every I want to. Hi, Maya. How are you?
I'm good, Leo. A little tired. I want to go home soon.
Me too. But first, I want to go to the library.
Oh, why?
I want to find a book about Spain.
Spain. How interesting. Do you want to travel to Spain?
Yes, I do. I want to visit Madrid next year.
That's a great plan. I want to travel too. I want to see the mountains.
Wonderful. We both want to travel.
I want to drink water.
I want to drink water. A perfect, simple sentence. I am a little hungry, so I can say, I want to eat a sandwich.
Good one, Maya. I want to eat a sandwich. Let's give our listeners more examples. Listen carefully. I want to read a book. I want to watch a movie. I want to call my friend.
Those are great examples. All are simple, everyday actions. You can use I want to for your daily life. I want to go to the store. I want to make dinner. I want to sleep.
Everyone feels that sometimes. I want to sleep. Okay, so that is for small, everyday things. But we can also use I want to for bigger goals. These are goals for your future.
That's right. Your goal is to learn English, so you can say, I want to speak English fluently.
I want to speak English fluently. That is a wonderful goal. Let's think of other future goals. maybe about jobs or travel. For example, I want to get a new job.
That's a common goal. I want to get a new job. Or if you like to travel, you can say, I want to visit a new country.
Ooh, I like that one. I want to visit Japan. What about you, Maya?
I want to visit Italy. I want to eat pizza in Italy.
See? I want to is so useful. Okay, now it's time to practice. We will have a short conversation. Maya and I will talk. We will use the phrase, I want to. Your job is to listen. Just listen.
Ready? Let's go. Excellent listening. Now you know how to use I want to. You can practice now. Say one thing you want to do today. For example, I want to eat dinner.
Good practice. And say one thing you want to do in the future. For example, I want to buy a new car. You are doing great.
Okay, are you ready for the second phrase? This one is for your big wishes, your most important goals. The phrase is, my dream is to...
My dream is to. A dream is a very strong word. It is not a small wish like I want to drink water. A dream is a big, important goal for your life.
Exactly. So for me, a big dream is about travel. I can say, my dream is to travel the world.
My dream is to travel the world. That is a beautiful dream, Maya. For me, a big dream is about my career. I can say, my dream is to become a teacher.
That's another great example. My dream is to become a teacher. Notice the structure. My dream is to, and then a verb, an action word. Travel, become, open, write.
Let's give our listeners more examples. Think about your big life goals. My dream is to have a family. My dream is to buy a house. My dream is to help people.
These are all wonderful dreams. Here are a few more. My dream is to start my own business. My dream is to write a book. My dream is to learn 5 languages.
Wow, 5 languages. That is a very big dream. So let's see how I want to and my dream is to connect. I want to can be a step to help you reach your dream.
That's a great point, Leo. For example, your dream is to become a teacher. So what is one step? You can say, I want to go to university.
Perfect. My dream is to become a teacher. I want to go to university to study. The small goal helps the big dream.
My dream is to travel the world. A small step is, I want to save money. My dream is to travel the world, so I want to save money every month.
You see, the phrases work together. I want to is the plan. My dream is to is the big prize.
Okay, let's practice with another conversation. Again, just listen the first time. We will use my dream is to and also I want to. Leo, you are studying a lot. What are you reading?
I'm reading a book about business. I want to learn more about it.
That's cool. Is that for your job?
It's for the future. My dream is to open a small coffee shop.
A coffee shop. I love that. That is an amazing dream.
Thank you. It's a big dream. I want to sell great coffee and cakes.
I will be your first customer.
Thank you, Maya. What about you? What is your dream?
My dream is to live near the ocean. I want to walk on the beach every day.
Okay, end of conversation. We talked about our dreams. Did you hear the key phrase?
I asked Leo what his dream was. He said, my dream is to open a small coffee shop.
That is my big goal. And what is the small step? I said I want to learn more about it. So I am reading a business book.
And then you asked me, what is your dream? I said, my dream is to live near the ocean. I want to walk on the beach every day.
A lovely dream. And your small goal connected to it?
I want to walk on the beach every day. That's the picture in my head. That's the reason for the dream.
This is great. You are learning how to connect your small goals to your big dreams.
Fantastic work. Now it is your turn to practice. Take a moment, think about your big dream. Now, say it out loud. My dream is to...
Don't be shy. Say it. My dream is to. Maybe your dream is to speak English fluently. That is a fantastic dream, and you are working on it right now. Good job.
We have one more phrase for you today. This phrase also helps you talk about the future. It is very useful for making plans. The phrase is, in the future, I will.
In the future, I will. We use will to talk about what we decide to do in the future. In the future means not now, but later. It could be next year, in 5 years, or many years from now.
Right. This phrase is great for showing your plan. It shows you are serious about your goal. For example, to learn English, you can say, in the future, I will practice speaking every day.
That is a great plan. In the future, I will practice speaking every day. Here's another one. My dream is to travel the world. So my plan is, in the future, I will save $100 every month.
See? It is a specific action, a plan. My dream is to open a coffee shop, so in the future, I will find a good location for my shop.
These are all clear plans. Let's give our listeners a few more examples. My goal is to be healthy. In the future, I will exercise 3 times a week. I want to buy a house. In the future, I will work hard and save money. I want to get a better job. In the future, I will learn new skills.
All of these sentences connect a goal to a plan. It shows how you will achieve your dream. Will is a very strong and confident word.
It is. It shows you have a decision, a plan. Okay, you know what time it is. It's time for our last conversation. This time, we will try to use all 3 phrases. I want to, my dream is to, and in the future, I will.
This is the final challenge. Listen carefully. See if you can hear all 3. Leo, what do you want to do this year?
This year, I want to learn how to cook well. I always burn the food.
That's a funny and good goal. Why do you want to learn to cook?
Well, my big dream is to have a happy, healthy family, and I think good food is part of a happy family.
That's so sweet. So how will you learn? What is your plan?
In the future, I will take a cooking class, and I will watch many videos online.
That's a great plan. You can cook for me to practice.
Deal.
And stop. Okay, that was a short one, but it had everything. Did you hear the 3 phrases?
Let's review. Maya asked me, what do you want to do this year? I answered, I want to learn how to cook well. That's phrase number 1.
Then I asked why. You connected it to your big dream. You said, my big dream is to have a happy, healthy family. That's phrase number 2.
And finally, you asked for my plan. I said, in the future, I will take a cooking class. That is phrase number 3, my specific plan.
See how they all work together? A want, a dream, and a plan. It's the perfect way to talk about your goals.
Amazing! You did it! You listened and you learned 3 new ways to talk about your future. You are improving already.
We are so proud of you. Practice is the most important part of learning a language, and you are doing it right now.
Okay, that is all the time we have for our main lesson today. You did a fantastic job.
Let's do a quick recap. We learned 3 important phrases for your goals and dreams.
Number 1 was I want to. We use his for small wishes and bigger goals. I want to drink tea. I want to find a new job.
Number 2 was my dream is to. We use this for our biggest, most important life goals. My dream is to write a book. My dream is to help my community.
And number 3 was in the future, I will. We use this to state our plan of action. In the future, I will study English for 1 hour every day.
These 3 phrases will help you talk about your future in English. Practice them this week. Think about your own wants, dreams, and plans.
And now we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners. We want you to practice. We love reading your comments.
This week's question is simple. It's a daily routine question.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m., so I can write in the comments, I wake up at 7 a.m. What about you, Maya?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m. So I would write, I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
So tell us in the comments below, what time do you wake up? And if you feel brave, you can also tell us one dream using our new phrases. For example, I wake up at 8 a.m. My dream is to visit Canada.
We would love to read your answers. Thank you so much for joining us at Beginner English Hub today. Keep practicing. You're doing a great job.
Yes, you are. Don't give up. We will be back next week with a new lesson to help you learn. Until then, goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.